Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to Windrock Off-Road Park, and then we are going to swing by the Brushy Mtn State Penitentiary. I've never been to the penitentiary, so I'm really looking forward to that. I might not record quite as much on this trip. I'm just going to enjoy it with my friends, enjoy the weekend, but I'll be sure to get a few cool clips for you guys to see what's going on. We are currently on the Blue Intermediate 4. In the thick of it, some small rock ledges, small rock gardens, pretty deep ruts, but cool trail, and we're working through it.
He broke it? Did he? Hair more. All right, right there. Now give it a bump.
So we started right here, and we took this Blue Intermediate 4 up over this loop, and we are now at this intersection, and that took us about an hour and a half just to do this one little blue loop here. So we're gonna continue this Blue 4 cut over, and then I think that's gonna be about it for today. We just rolled into camp. We are staying at primitive number 18 and 17 campsites here at Windrock. We're gonna sneak 3 trucks into this number 18 spot here. We got 2 more on the other side. Everybody's getting set up. Let's go over here and see what Mr. Robert is gonna be cooking us for dinner. He said he owes me a dinner, so let's see.
Coming to check out your dinner?
I told him he got a dinner waiting for me, so we'll see.
Box, do the box? You're not Bruce Springsteen.
Well, Robert made some pretty good burgers, so we'll give him credit where credit's due. Greg also made some pretty good chicken tacos, so it's a pretty good night overall. Gonna get some s'mores and probably call it a night. Hey, good morning guys. We're just waking up here at primitive camp number 18 at Windrock. Everybody slept pretty good. We're gonna get some breakfast going here, probably pack it up, and then we are heading to the Brushy Mtn Penitentiary. We're gonna check it out, do a self-guided tour. Haven't been there myself, but heard good things, so it should be a fun time. Alright guys, we are rolling up to the Brushy Mtn State Penitentiary. Really cool place, really tucked away in the mountains here. It's the end of the line right here, folks.
Sick.
Sir. Alright. World's only prison made shine. Legally, that is. Only 12 hours?
Well, they didn't want you to die.
Oh, right. Makes sense. You trying to hoop, Robert? Trying to ball up? All right.
You know, that's where I'm from, man. That's what we do.
Actual escape ladder used by James Ovrlnd in 1906.
A lot of stuff happens here that nobody never knows about. roughest people in the state. That's where they send them up here.
Time out here. We made it back home. I've got good news and bad news. The good news is we had a fantastic weekend, great friends, great weather, overall really fun trip. The bad news is on the way home, I started to notice kind of a rhythmic grinding sound coming from the front end. When I got home, I lifted the wheel up, gave it a little bit of a wiggle, and I noticed some play coming in that wheel. That leads me to believe I have a bad wheel bearing. I'm going to have to look into it a little bit more, but might have to do some work on the truck in the future. So thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to see what happens with the truck moving forward.